A warm welcome to everyone. Let's finish the lesson that we did in the last class, that is the food we eat. Lesson 5 for 3rd standard social studies, the food we eat. Now children, let's go on to page 213 and the question under hots. If you live in Kerala, which fruits will be fresher when they reach you? Circle the right ones. So you get mangoes, you get pineapples because a lot of pineapples are grown in Kerala, bananas and coconuts. Apricots, grapes, cherries, apples and melons, they come from different places, so they are not fresh, they may be 1 or 2 days old. So the fresh ones are mangoes, coconuts, pineapples and bananas. Now the next one is the activity for you. Let's see that. The name of a fruit is hidden in each of the following sentences. How quickly can you find them? The picture clues will help you. Now you have a picture of an apple, an orange and a pear. Now remember, these three fruits are hidden in those sentences. Now the first one, you see, the example, the man going down the lane is my uncle. The man going down the lane is my uncle. So the word man, M-A-N, man, going, you take G-O, the first two letters, you will get the fruit mango. Similarly, the second sentence, let's try. Neither sadness nor anger will do you any good. Neither sadness nor anger will do you any good. Now look at the sentence in the textbook. Nor. So you take out the letters O-R, and from the word anger, you take out A-N-G-E, and the fruit is orange. I'll say that again. From the word nor, you take out O-R, and from the word anger, you take out A-N-G-E. So you have the fruit orange. Second one, turn off that tap, please. Now from the word tap, you take out A-P, and from the word please, you take out P-L-E. From the word tap, you take out A-P, and from the word please, you take out P-L-E. The fruit is apple. Very easily done. Now the third one, the thief tried to escape arrest. Now from the word escape, take out the last two letters P-E, and from the word arrest, take out the first two letters A-R. So you get the word or the fruit pear. So the first one is orange, second one is apple, and third one is pear. Next page, 214, B. Dals, pulses are body building foods. Find out which of the following contain dal. Tick the box if the food contains dal. Now the first one, masala dosa, it has dal, of course, urad dal. Upma doesn't have dal. Idli has dal again, you grind the rice and the dal. Plain dosa also has dal. Sambar has dal. Vada has dal. Uttapam has dal. And then you have nothing else with dal. That is chapati, no dal. Barfi, there is no dal. Jalebi, there is no dal. And ice candy, there is no dal. So the items which have dal are masala dosha, idli, plain dosa, sambar, vada and uttapam. With this I have come to the end of the lesson. Now your homework for today will be to stick 5 food items that you like to eat and write the name below the picture. Stick 5 pictures of food items that you like to eat. It can be a fruit, it can be a vegetable, it can be a picture of a bottle of Horlicks because maybe you like Horlicks, or it can be a picture of a chocolate because you like chocolates, or a picture of a burger or a sandwich, anything. Just 5 items that you like to eat and write the name below that. Thank you.